Let me vacuum. Guys, I can't vacuum. You can become. Sorry, husband, I have to vacuum. I need to vacuum. Can you see him? Not yet. That's my life. You hide. Hide. That's my life, guys. I need to vacuum, Hogan. Yep. No, Mom, it makes sleep. The coffee. Just unhung. Yep. Okay, so excuse me. Thank you. Excuse me. Mr. Hogan, the coffee. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Guys, do you see what he's doing to me? I can't vacuum. Ma أقدر أكنس. Excuse me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. La 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 la. Exercise. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. That's my life. You see, this is gym. If you want to have dogs, you can have them for gym. Gym, guys. You want to see gym? 1, 2, 3. 1. I love you, Hogan. You are my heart. He's tired. He's hot. Excuse me. You're tired. You can't even do it anymore. You're getting old. Jump. 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 Yeah. 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 I hate vacuum cleaner. I hate vacuum. Let me vacuum again. Okay. Vacuum على أبوك كمان. Yeah. You can't touch me. You can't touch me. Yeah. 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 Oh my God! Pick up my stick. This is how I vacuum. This is how I vacuum. I can't. Go away. I need to vacuum. Go away. Yeah. I get it. Hogan. You want to just go away. Excuse me. Please, I need to work. You're doing my machine. Give it. Give it. He won't give it. He won't. I'm gonna shoot off. You are a bad boy. I cannot. Come, you vacuum. Try vacuum. Yeah, boy. Go front. You won't let us.